Hey guys, today we're going to be playing in Subway Surfers today. Now I hope you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Oh yeah, and on one of our videos, not on our YouTube shorts, on one of our videos called For 5 Minutes, Can You Just Not Be Yourself for 5 Minutes? That one reached 100 views. Thanks so much. I'm finally getting more views because I'm guessing everyone likes Shipwreck. Same here, that's the best movie. Oh, I just missed 6-7. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, if you're new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. It's totally free. 100% sure. Well, if you're signed in, because most people ain't really signed in. Then really? Just to let you know, I'm playing this on S25 Ultra. It was made last year. It's still a new phone, but if you're into S26 phones, that's okay. It's still got a new phone. Ah! Shish kebabs. I'm gonna, you know what? New high score. This ain't my first time playing it. I just need a higher high score. Alright. Sorry guys, I think there was an ad. Yeah. There was an ad. Shish kebab. Bro, are you kidding me? Ooh, one kill. Not my fault, I'm playing the game. Oh, come on. No. Ah! There was just more trains running. No, you don't. Oh, that one missed! Why did I miss that? Oh. I want a new high school. I want a refund. Ah! Oh! You know what? You know what? Yes, that's what I'm talking about, boys. Alright, what have I got here now? Bro, are you kidding me? For some reason, these ads keep on bothering me, bothering my gaming. Well, I didn't even see that coming. But I ain't blind though, I just didn't see it coming. For some reason, I just didn't see it coming. The reason why, if you guys might have known why the new Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe video got deleted, it's because that the camera wasn't even facing the screen very properly, so I'll be doing a new one. Well, yes, I'm doing it on the Switch one because on my Switch 2 I'm not doing it on my Switch 2 because I got to continue a world. And second of all, I ain't deleting that one. I've deleted too much apparently to restart for some reason, because I might be doing a new one, but just to let you know, this will come out tomorrow, sure. And I hope I don't get a pushback, because I ain't having no more pushbacks. It's not how it works. So it'll be a World 1 to 9. The reason why I said World 1 to 9, because there's like a superstar road or whatever you call it that I need to complete. That's why I collect all the star coins. So I think there'll be a new Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe video coming out tomorrow. And I hope I don't get a pushback like what happened to Michael's YouTube channel, because some of his pushbacks are nightmares. And I hope he doesn't get another pushback, because those AI videos take February 6th. Oh, that was close. No! Man up. Guys, I think I'm gonna say that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more funny content. Alright, so smash that like button and hope you subscribe. Goodbye.